Yo, I look like a little bean, like a jelly bean. That looks even worse. I look bad ashy. But yeah, yo, what's up guys? It's your boy George coming at you with another YouTube video. Today we about to go and watch Zendaya real quick. Some little content. I know I've been missing out on mad weeks. Like, that doesn't even make sense. I missed out on 3 weeks of uploads. Oops, sorry. Life, you know, life be lifing. I made some extra, I got some good content. I just lazy to edit, you feel me? But this is like a quick little video that I thought about doing. You know, I'm like, yo, like, fuck it, Zendaya needs a really good wash, so might as well make a little video out of it, like a vlog type video out of it. I'm looking rough because I just got out of work, no shower, no nothing, because I'm about to get dirty anyways. Pause, no diddy. Right now I'm at the crib. I got my backpack with my gimbal, my tripod, and I'm about to go drop off some dry cleaning real quick. Then I'm gonna go to the storage unit, pick up some cleaning materials for Zendaya. I'm gonna try to get in depth, but not too in depth, if that makes sense. Like, there's a lot of things I need to hit because it's been a minute since she had a really good wash, but I'm not gonna go super ham. At least that's what I think I'm not gonna do. But yeah, so I'm in the crib. I'm looking crazy. Phone was charging for a little bit, so I'm gonna stop yapping. It's already been a minute and we about to go outside. So we at the wash spot right now. This is the bike as it sits. She's very freaking dirty. I mean, from here it seems like she clean, right? But then when you get up close, it's like she all types of filthy, you feel me? The calipers is dirty. Man, look at the inside, like that's supposed to be black, bro. The shit look gray. The headers is dirty. Everything is just filthy, man. It's just all filthy, bro. The tank, it's not gonna really show on camera, I don't think, but like, see how dirty she is. You know, try to get her right, you know what I'm saying? Like, my chain is atrocious. I can't speak English. But again, look at all that filth and gunk and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start spraying her down with some wheel cleaner and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start right now by spraying her down. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna start right now by spraying her down with the McGuire's heavy duty wheel cleaner, and then spray down the chain. I'm trying to cinematic mode right now. Chain clean, so we're gonna see how that looks. The reason why I'm spraying the plastics is because, like, I feel like this wheel cleaner is like strong enough to really clean the bike without like absolutely destroying the trim and stuff like that. So it's just like a little, you know, let it sit on the bike and then it turns purple, really gets that kicked on crap off. I'm not telling you guys to do the same. You know, everybody does what they do. Everybody, you know, not does what they do, does what they want to do. So if you want to follow this, do that shit at your own risk. Because I don't know what materials your bike is made out of and shit like that, you feel me? So I'm not telling you to do nothing and then you go mess up your bike and then you come here crying and shit. This is just what I'm trying. This is the first time I'm cleaning it with this, so I don't even know if it's gonna fuck anything up. I'm trying to avoid the seats and shit, but just to like really degrease the shit, because high key, hold on, let me lock the gimbal real quick. There we go. High key, she been oh, it's tracked on my hand. Oh, that's a wavy shot. Everything is crispy. Alright. I'm spraying the exhaust. I don't know if it's gonna fuck it up or not, but fuck it. It's bubbling off and sizzling and shit. So far, this is what we got. Got a little bit on the tank here. Let me just turn this bad boy off real quick. Take this off, just so I don't ruin it again for the 15th millionth time. This stuff, the mold tool. applying it very liberally. This is not the way I want to clean my chain, because I want to use the stand and stuff like that, but you know, can't always have it the way you want it, right? Damn. All that dirt and grime off. The tools we're gonna be using: wheel brush and some little brushes. Hitting it with the bug remover now. I know it's not good to mix stuff. Shit like that, but like, you still need those. Try and get a little bit of this dirt off and stuff like that, you know? I'm gonna put you guys back on the stand because I'm gonna need both hands. Maybe when Cadell and Dimitri come up here, my brother come up here, we can get a better video of all of this. how well y'all can hear me, but like, as y'all can see, the bike, she's shining. Fucking looking mean as hell, boy. But yeah. Obviously as it dries up, it's gonna get like, you know, you're gonna see how really clean she is. But as you can see, I gotta shine up the pipes because the pipes kind of looking ashy, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, she a lot cleaner than she was, I'll tell you that. Freaking, yo, bro, my chain, keep my chain, bro. That shit back to gold. It's like a little bronze, but it's way cleaner than it's been in the past couple months, bro. Way cleaner. Obviously, y'all know I had the bike in storage for a minute. Even over here, like all the gunk and stuff that was here, a lot of it is gone. I gotta get some new brushes so that way I can really get in the back of there. The focus on the cinematic mode is crazy. Hold up. I gotta really get some new brushes to get really well back in there. But overall, the bike is a lot cleaner than she was, obviously. But yeah, a lot cleaner. Some nice shots of it. She's dripping. Pause, no diddy. But yeah, I'm gonna spray some lube on the chain real quick, and then we're gonna go rip her. I put some ceramic and then the sealant on it, so she should be a little bit less prone to you know, the water droplets. Hold on, let me put you guys down for a second. I'm gonna use a short tip for today. If it gets everywhere, it gets everywhere. Hold up. I'm just gonna be very generous this time around because I did like degrease the hell out of the chain. Multiple goes, multiple passes. Nothing too crazy, but make sure my O-rings and stuff like that are not you know, super dry. Yo, obviously this wasn't meant to be a tutorial. This is not how I wash my bike every time. It's just how I wash my bike today because she was sitting for a really long time. She's really dirty. But she's shining now. I don't know how well you guys can see everything. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but yeah. She's shining now. Hold up. Hopefully you guys can see the bike, but yeah, I'm gonna give her a start up. Oh, that's embarrassing. Might go back to the crib and install some more mods that I got. Not really mods, but more so cosmetic stuff for the rear end. But yeah, might do that today since she's all clean and shit, all nice and degreased. So so yeah, we done right now. I look scruffy as hell again as usual. I got the jelly bean head going on right now. Chill on me. But yeah, so she all cleaned up. I'm gonna catch you guys at the crib. Probably gonna do another install video, installing some stuff on the swing arms real quick, if sunlight permits. I had that part outside baking in the sun for a little bit too, so hopefully when we get back to the crib it's ready. If it's too cold, I'm not gonna do it because I want it to like really adhere well. I feel like I'm rambling again, but like yeah, so here's more of the bike. This bike is probably the cleanest Zx6r you're gonna see on YouTube. No cap. It's funny too because she has a few cosmetic deficiencies that I gotta resolve. But yeah, bro, she's looking clean, bro. Louis Moto seats. Freaking, yo, shit is sexy, man. Shit is sexy.